So today we're in the kitchen to do a little lighting project, and Barry will be joining me. He will show us how to install some really easy, like super simple under the counter lighting that anybody can install themselves here on Weezy.
All right, today I'm going to be working on installing some under-counter lighting. Okay, so I'm selecting this particular LED lighting system. It has four individual lights that are about 9 inches long, and so under these two 24-inch cabinets, each one will have two of these lights mounted underneath, and that will provide a very nice level of lighting underneath the cabinets onto the counters. One other thing is that this particular product is a plug-in power supply, so I can connect it, just simply plug it into the existing receptacles. I like that because instead of the battery powered, which has to be, of course, will have to be replaced. And also that this LED lighting system is a 5 selectable light levels, and they go from a warm light up to the cooler, brighter white light. And we personally like the cooler light for the working.
You can go ahead and unbox it.
Should I describe it?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay.
I'm just recording.
Well, here's the system. And you see these are the lights themselves. So these are two of the lights, two of the four. So you can see there's no wires, but each end we're able to link with the provided cabling to link them together. And so these will go daisy chained underneath the cabinet. Now you have a choice of how to mount these. Again, these are very easy. One choice is to use the command strips. Simply just attach those two on each light and adhere them to the bottom of the cabinet. But in this case, I think I'm going to use the supplied clips, which will just simply attach with a screw to the bottom, and then the lights will nicely connect right to those and will be very secure.
So why don't you want to use the command strips?
Well, the command strips so far in our first installation of this system has been holding up well, but they also, what I haven't been pleased with is a clip that's used to hold all the wiring up out of place. That adhesive has been releasing, so I'm not going to take any chances. Install it once and it will be secure for as long as the lights burn.
Trying to find the best position for the lights. And this is where the third and fourth hand becomes very beneficial. We got to make sure we leave enough space at the end of each light to install the connector cord.
Okay, so what do you need?
All right, so if you'll just hold these right here, I think I can make this work.
This way or?
Yeah. So I've got them. That's about center there. Gives me an idea of where to mount the clips. Okay.
Bring them down?
Take them down. All right. All right. So we've got some marks here, and this is where we're going to position the clip. It's going to be about right there, and we'll just mark where we need to drill a hole. And I think right here. Drilling a pilot hole. And here. Okay. Let's stop it. Okay, so we have the clips in place. I decided to go with 2 in each one to make them much more stable and better aligned. There you go. So you can see I've already got the ones in the back. Well, can't see that. But so now we're getting ready to snap these in place. Already got the cables connected. And again, these simply snap into place on these clips here. And they're good and secure. So now we can do a quick test run. Connect up our, temporarily connect the wiring. They give you plenty of cable here, so it'll take a little bit of work to get everything tucked up, back out of the way. Wiring secured up underneath here. As you can see, that's the switch location. Right there. So we had to kind of tuck all of this excess wiring, and I used some little cable clamps, and so to secure those, I like those, the screw type better than the adhesive. I know that they're not going to pull away at some point, and so that's it. We're ready. So that's the completed job. Took maybe an hour and a half or so, and again, a lot of it is just planning out where you want the lights and the wires to run. And hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.